Simple, rooted, and warm with the people he worked with, big or small. He also had tremendous energy levels with his work, being a tall testament to these qualities. So we celebrate him, the legendary K. Vaikunth today, with a commemorative stamp release, ladies and gentlemen. Extremely honored to be welcoming the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Shri Pramod Sawantji. Sir, we request you to please step forward and take the dais. It's an absolute honor to have you at this prestigious occasion. Can I please request Additional Secretary, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India, Shri Prabhatji, to please join us on the dais. Thank you, Prabhat sir. Can we also have Shri Deepak Narayanji, Additional Secretary, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India. Along with him, the Chief Postmaster General, Maharashtra Circle, Shri Amitabh Singh Ji. And last but not the least, son of Shri K. Vaikunth Ji, Mr. Amit Kunkoilienkar, representing the family, the legacy of Shri K. Vaikunth. Can I please request Shri Amitabh Singh Ji, Chief Postmaster General, Maharashtra Circle, to kindly get the stamp released by the hands of our Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Shri Pramod Sawantji.
Photographer, please, excuse me. Hello. बस रे
Keep the claps coming, ladies and gentlemen. It's a very special moment as we're celebrating the journey, the legacy of Shri K. Vaikunth. In a short while, I would request you to also have your eyes on the screen as there will be a small AV.